In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva Brand Kit. So first, log into your Canva account, and then you will see there is an option that is called Brand, and click here. One thing you should remember that Brand Kit is only available for a Canva Pro user. If you are a Canva free user, then you won't get this Brand Kit in your account. So, how to make a Canva brand kit in your Canva Pro account first. So here you will see all of your available brand kit you already created in your Canva Pro account. So here you see only one brand kit I have created so far. So let's explain how it works. So clicking here and you will see all of my brand elements are available here. Here is the logos and here is the colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons and charts. So once I click logos, I can upload all of my brand logos, all of my different version of my logos available here. I have uploaded all of my logos in here under the logos options in Skiller tab. Skiller is my brand name, so I can just edit my brand name here, just edit the brand name here, and here is all of my logos I have uploaded so far. So now I want to click here in the color section where I can upload or I can set up all of my brand color with the color code. Let's say I want to add another color, so click here and select your color or color code, input your color code here, and it will show up here. So now you can upload all of your brand fonts here. So click here. So I have uploaded all of my brand fonts here. So some of the fonts are custom font. That means I have uploaded my fonts here, or some of the fonts are available in Canvas library. So I set all of my fonts that is related to my brands here. So click here and now select your like uploaded fonts or Canvas libraries font, what suits to your brand elements. So select from here and give a title, as this is my main title. So I am clicking here to name it as a title, and this is the size of your font you need to mention. And once everything is done, you can give a name of your font title. So and now just save it. So this way I can set up all of my fonts. So this font is available for title, and for my subtitle I have set up another font and with another different size, so and declare it as a subtitle. And this is for heading, so I have set up another font for my heading and another size of the design and save it. So let's say I want to add another font in here as a code. So select your font from the library of Canva or your uploaded font, and heading type is code, and mention the size. And if you want to add it as a bold version, you can click here to make it bold, or if you want to make it italic, so you can click here to make it italic. So I want to make it normal, so this is the font, and I can click here to save this font as a body or quote font. So this way you can upload all of your fonts under this brand, and click here. So this is the brand voice. I have created my brand voice here. If you want to edit it, you can just click here and edit your brand voice from here. So this is the photos option of your brand related to this brand, and you can upload all of your photos in here in this section, and you can upload all of your graphics in here, all of your icons in here, and all of your charts in here. So let's see how we can create a completely new brand kit in Canva. So click here and you will find create new brand kit. From here, click here and give a title of your brand. So let's say I want to make this brand kit for a brand that is named as Cubic Screw, and create. So my brand kit has been created. Now I can upload my brand guidelines here, or I can just give my website here to get the brand guidelines from the website. And now again, I can set up everything under this brand kit. Let's say click in the logo section and upload all of your version of your logo. Let's say the one version is transparent, another version is, let's say, black color version, another version is your brand primary color version, and svg version. So you can upload all of your logos in here, and you can set up your brand color from here. Let's say I want to add this as my brand color, and I want to add to n. So this is another brand color. You can set up your brand color from here. You can set up your fonts from here. You can add brand voice. So click here and add your brand voice here. You can get help from the ChatGPT or any types of AI to write your brand voice from here, and you can upload your photos here, graphics here, and icons here, and charts here. Now let's see how we can use our brand elements or brand kits in our design. So I'm creating a design. Let's say I want to create a social media post. So I want to create a Facebook post. So select your Facebook post first. Let's say I want to create the post from a, let's say, template. So this is my template, and see, if I use this template for my skill or brand, it won't suit with my brand guidelines or brand elements. So I need to make sure my brand consistency, like I want to share, I want to use my brand color here, I want to use my brand fonts here, and everything. So how we can do this? So let's say click again to here in your brand section and select your brand. So let's say this is my brand, and now I want to change my font to my brand font. So click here, and I'm clicking here to get my brand color, to get my brand fonts. So clicking here and give, so it's Lee Ador Noirit. So click here, and from here you can just select your brand element, or you can just add a new text, and it will be selected as per your brand guidelines. So this is your brand font you have set up in your brand kit. So again, let's say I want to change the color. So go to color, and I want to, let's say, want to add this color. So click here, and it will go with your brand color and brand elements. So this is very simple, and you see all of the color which has been changed as per my brand guidelines. So this way you can use your brand kit. So in this video I have shown you how to use Canva Brand Kit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below. I will read and reply a comment. Thank you so much.